So, mag-use ko ito. Anong unit ko, ma'am? Cluster 7, 408. Isa lang po, ma'am. Anong water niyo po? Anong tagpit ko lang? Sige po. Thank you. Bakit ito lang? Pwede.
Nakita natin doon. Sige, sige. Oo, dito. Oo. Di ba, pag nakita natin doon. Oo. Kasi wala naman. Hindi po, dito na lang, ma'am. Kasok na dito. Ah, ba yan? Dito na lang po, dito na lang. Ang haba. Oo, ikat nyo na lang pag mahabang masyado. Ayan. Kasi malat tayo. Asya ko ganun. Okay. Okay. Sige. Wala naman yata. Dadal. Ito. Alright, amin. Okay, before we proceed to the competition proper, we shall come now to the introduction of the judges and scoring officials. Ito tatabo ang band judges. Judges. Para po sa tuyo pong mga judges for the band competition, our first judge is from Buli, Taal, Batangas, graduated Bachelor of Science in Commerce major in Banking and Finance at the Rizal College of Taal, Batangas. Became a member of various marching bands in Batangas and Cavite. Participated in various marching band competition such as parades, drills, concerts, and serenata. Entered the Philippine National Police Service on November 15, 2001 and still active. Bandmaster of Police Regional Office, Calabarzon Band from July 2002 to December 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Police Executive Master Sergeant Rustico Atienza Buiser Jr.
Our second judge is a private first-class designated percussion musician special in the band company of 15 IMB Installation Management Command.
K-19. The K-9 dogs are used for explosive detection and search rescue operation. The Infantry Squad. Its mission is to close with enemy by means of fire and maneuver, to destroy or capture or repel his assault by fire, close combat, and counter-attack. The designated marksman or ghillie suit. They are an organic part of the fire team and operates together with the main force. They are responsible for providing accurate fires over longer ranges. The 21st Cavalry Company in their armored vehicles. The V-150 Commando with dismounted team. The Commando, an armored fighting vehicle, is a combat vehicle protected by strong armor and generally armed with caliber 50, which combines operational mobility, tactical offensive, and defensive capabilities. The Simba Fighting Vehicle or SFV with dismounted team. The mechanized infantry will often fight in conjunction with armored vehicles to form a combined arms team. The Field Artillery. The 105mm howitzer is used to destroy, defeat, or disrupt the enemy with integrated fires to enable maneuver commanders to dominate in unified land operation. The towed mortars are from Charlie Battery, 2nd Field Artillery Battalion. The Emergency Response Company with towed rubber boat. The DRR rubber boat is used for rapid deployment and handling rescue and relief operations, especially during natural disasters. The Emergency Response Company is led by First Lieutenant Adrian D. Lucay-Lucay, Infantry, Philippine Army. And the Forward Service Medical Company. The FSMC provides second echelon medical care on a direct support basis for the supported infantry division and maneuver brigades. That concludes the Military Pass-In Review, brought to you by the men and women of the Joint Task Force Bicolandia. You are our inspiration as we continue to serve the people and secure the Bicol region. Salamat po sa pagpadangat sa mga kasundaluhan. Diyos mabalos sa satuyang gabos.
Maraming salamat, First Lieutenant Cagasan of Philippine Army. Next, our special participation, non-competing entry.
Wala po. Basta lang ako. Wala man. Wait po man. Sige po ma'am.
Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City. Non-competing band and majorettes. University President, Sister Teresita Abastillas, DC. Director, Student Development Scholarship in Linkages, Dr. Virginia Reyes. OIC ACAT Director, Mr. Randy Salvani. Majorist Leader, Nicole Paga. Band Leader, Angela Maria Displada. Band Directors and Majorette Moderator, Mr. Alexi Dato. Majorette Trainer, Mr. Carlston Nagal. Ladies and gentlemen, the Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City Special Participation. Non-competing. Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City.
Dugang formaltang ubugasan ang satuyang competing secondary schools. Entry number 1. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. CAD Mixed Company with Majorettes. School Head, Sister Josie T. Tangkag, OSA. Principal, Miss Jocelyn L. Malinaw. Corps and Staff, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerome Talagit, Corps XO S3. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel A. Añedo Amido. S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Angelica Ibarreta, S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kate Antonia Medina, S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sean Felix Bailon, S5, Major Leader Francesca Steph Canyeba, Band Leader Sean Carvey Villeca, Company Commander Cadet Captain Rez Marion Fidelino, Company XO Cadet Captain Yons Crescin Joyce Berinya, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Bien Luis Deme Rodriguez, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Margaret Ishana Malitaan, CAT Facilitator Mr. Abiel Raymond Ramos, Band Coordinator Mr. Chapet Briones, Major Trainer Mr. Larry Taduran, Band Master Trainer Mr. Arlie S. Galvez, Color Guard Instructor Mr. Rafael Pakagan. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated, San Francisco, Iriga City. Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. Next entry, entry number 2, 1F Tribino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. President, Principal Perry O. Coruno, Corps and Staff. John Dexter E. Roman, Corps Commander. Clark Joven Candelaria, Corps XO. Princess Alicia Bazar, S1. Jude Enrico
Francisco Castillo, Core S2. Lindsay Luisa Cabiles, Core S3. Gerald Salditos, Core S4. Major Leader Jodily Amis, Band Leader Floyd Cedrics Medes, Company Commander Russell Pisino, Company XO Edmundo C. Jr., First Platoon Leader Boys Jerome A. Umbao, Second Platoon Leader Girls Kisha May Renehen, CAT Facilitator Melody C. Espirito Teacher 1, Band Advisor Coordinator Julio Cesar Iraula, Major Trainer Mark Jason Navales, Band Master Trainer Raymark De La Cruz, Assistant Papi Facilitator Brian Ravago, Assistant Band Advisor Coordinator Hadeline A. Castillo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge City Councilor Gail Abral Gomez and Jefferson Felix. Also, ASDS Fernando Boy Macaraig. And also City Councilor Ason Piñaplo. We would like also to acknowledge City Councilor Sunny Raniolo. Entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School from Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 3. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Pao, Camarines Sur. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated. Principal, Maria Eusebia Gaiti Quiñones, Core and Staff, James Werrell I. Blanquera, Core Commander, Maria Josefa Shaina I. Blanquera, Core XO, Masaki Fukita, Core S2, Kyle Angelo Moncayo, Core S3, Nicole Adeline Taduran, Core S4, Natalie Nicole Bisinyo, Core S7, Major Leader, Nika B. Baksain, Band Leader, Dwight Howell B. Carmona, Company Commander, Tarak Givin Divera, Company XO, Loy Paz, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Mark Berry, Aim Angel, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Luis Rian de la Rama, CAT Facilitator, William Jefferson B. Botor, Band Advisor, Mark Nels Madong, Major Trainer, Emil M. Maestrado, Band Master Trainer, Albert Plazo. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Baao, Camarines Sur.
3. From Rosary School Incorporated from Bao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 4. From Pararao High School, Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Pararao High School, President Principal School Head Marieta R. Villaflor, Core and Staff Cristal Bay Soliman, Core Commander John Adrian C. Lazaro, Core S1, John Paulo El Carte, Core S2, Mark Luigi Di Villa, Core S3, Johnny Fajardo, Core S4, Majors Leader Junashal Permido, Band Leader Omar Florin, Company Commander Cadet Major Marvin Mibato, Company XO Cadet Captain Aljon Banya, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Henderson Murada, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Shane Salcedo, CAP Facilitator Lawrence B. Diaz, Band Coordinator Mary Kathleen Lurin, Major Trainer Jose Apollo Ray Vivar, Band Master Trainer Christian Adrian Batan, June Mar Batan. Entry number 4, Pararao High School, Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur.
Palitan natin.
Thank you. Entry number 4, Pararao High School from Balatan, Camarines Sur.
Ha?
Next entry. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Principal, Pamida L. Ebora. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Core and Staff, Cadet Major Axel Zander R. Prado, Car Commander, Cadet Major Mario A. Camaro Jr. S1, Cadet Major Dave Kent Orjales S2, Cadet Major Cadet Major Micaela Arceno S3, Cadet Major Mike Gabriel Gabiazo S4, Cadet Major Ariana Clarity B. Talay S5, Major Leader Mary Hazel Siguenza, Band Leader Jamel Khan Nicolas, Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Kenneth Lack, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J.P. Lac. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Rizel J.B. Tuazon. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Eureka May Onacion. CAT Facilitator, Edmar Patricio. Band Advisor, Elmar Paro. Major Trainer, Joan Ayarinota. Nia Jane Aguilar. Band Master Trainer, Marlon Delfino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.
Ang tawag sa 2-3-1. Tapos, hindi bali apat yan. Hindi bali apat. Tatlong round. May tatlong round lang yan. Itutok. Tatlong round lang yan. Tayo. Kanay.
Thank you. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Next entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur, School Head, Wenceslao P. Santiago.
Okay na.
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Attorney Patty Del Castillo, sir. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from Bula, Camarines Sur, Corps and Staff. Cadet Major Hazel Y. Basagre, Corps Commander, Cadet Captain Roland Arales, Cadet Captain Hasmin R. Camaldera, Cadet Captain Hannah Faye Tataro, Cadet Captain Kenneth Baroga, Cadet Captain Ken Nagorog, Major's Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Chinky Pentecostes, Band Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant D.P. Alcuetas, Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Justine P. Mortel, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Ronald A. Lucilo, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Rizel P. Hertes, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angel Joyce Paliega, CAT Facilitator, Mark CAT Facilitator, Mark John I. Francisco, Band Advisor, Eric Buang, Jeremy Fuliero, Janet Arales, Chinky Azuela. Band Advisor, Corina Lareza, Jenny De Silva, Aramay D. Loyola. City Coordinator, Gian Javier, Karen Olieres, Ros Samer Obinya. DLC Trainer, Christian Idrian B. Batan. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Mike. La Victoria High School from La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. School Head, Nerio Milano M. Sibulo, Principal 1. Entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School, Corps and Staff, Kate Lieutenant Colonel Natasha Lenet Mayras, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Mary Gail Campali, S1. Cadet Major Gerald Averos, S2. Cadet Major Prince Marcaida, S3. Cadet Major Francis Kyle Fabiliare, S4. Cadet Major Grace S. Alvaro, S5. Major's Leader Jayons F. Dibilen. Band Leader Princess D. Trinidad. Company Commander Althea Jane Briones, Company XO Alexis Morfe. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Zuriel Garcia. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Alin May Paulo. Second Platoon Leader Gideon Bearer. Cadet First Lieutenant Alin May Paulo. Michael Rectin. CAT Facilitator Romulo Aguilion. Band Advisor Christian Roy Carino. Mayor Grace P. Santa Ana. Major's Coordinator Edward Angelo Sortido. Band Master Gil Del Rosario. Color Guard Instructor Cedric Federio. Drumline Instructor Dexter B. Jess. Entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School from Kamaligan, Camarines Sur.